Welcome to 20 Minute Setswana lesson number 3. Leina lame ke Tian,
Lame leina ke Mpho.
and we are here to teach you some Setswana. Mpho, au siame,
Ke siame Tian a o siame?
ke siame. Let's do it.
Maybe you're a teacher, maybe you're in school. 20 minutes Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say later. Yeah, my kids.
Mpho and I have been talking about greeting people, but not only in a singular way, but also in a plural form. So if you step into a room and there's more than one person, how would you greet them? We were talking about the well-known word in Tswana that we all know. It's just like hello, dumela. Does that literally mean hello?
Yes.
Okay, so dumela is hello, but now it changes when you speak to a group. Is that correct, Mpho?
That's right, yes. It changes to dumelang.
Dumelang.
Singular, it's dumela.
Okay,
But when you talk to more than one person, dumelang,
okay.
that's how it's supposed to be.
You
put
add
the
in.
ng.
You add an ng.
Yes.
Okay, so let's have another example of a plural form.
Utsugile jang.
Okay.
Meaning?
Utsugile jang. How did you get up?
How did you get up?
Okay, now if I were to say to more than one person,
Le tsugile jang.
le tsogile jang.
Yes.
All right. So now the o referring to you has become a
Le.
referring to more than one person in
More
the
than
room.
one person in the room, yes.
So in English, there is no difference. You'd say, how are you? Whether you're talking to one person or to a group of people. But in Tswana, there is a difference. You
Yes.
need to say le tsogile jang.
Great.
And I noticed that the question word jang doesn't change.
It doesn't.
Okay.
If you want to say, it's in a singular form, you say utsugile jang.
Okay.
But to many people, you say le tsugile jang bagaetsu.
Oh, you can add bagaetsu
Yes.
to le tsogile jang.
Le tsugile jang
And the bagaetsu means
means people, my people.
my people.
Yes.
Okay. So to you, plural, how did you get up, my people?
My people.
My people.
Mo gaetsu, it's singular. You
Okay.
can still say that. Mo gaetsu. Ba gaetsu.
Mogaetsu, bagaetsu.
Ba gaetsu.
Okay.
Le tsugile jang ba gaetsu. You can't say le tsugile jang mo gaetsu. No.
Okay. I
You're
see.
speaking to only one person in plural form. You say utsugile jang mo gaetsu.
I understand. So mogaetsu
Mo gaetsu.
is like my people, but it's singular.
Yes.
Like my person.
My person.
Yes, okay. Bagaetsu makes it plural.
Yes.
My people.
My people.
Mogaetsu. Let's take a different example. I said okai, for instance.
That's when you're greeting somebody.
Yes, and if I were to say to more than one person, okai, how would I say that?
Lekai.
Okay, I'm starting to see a little bit of a pattern because otsogile became letsogile, and now okai becomes lekai. Okay.
You can say ukai, meaning Mpho ukai. Where's Mpho?
Yes.
I come inside the room, I find people there sitting, but I don't see Mpho.
I remember.
And I ask, ukai Mpho.
Okay, Mpho. Where is Mpho? Okay, I got that.
If Mpho is with her twin sister, bakai.
Okay, now you're asking where's Mpho and someone else?
Yes.
Where are they?
Where are they?
Bakai.
Bakai.
Okay.
Yes.
Bakai.
Bakai.
Okay. And if you were shouting to your friends and you want to say, hey, where are you? Where are you guys?
You will be saying, lekai.
Okay.
Lekai. Lekokai.
We're getting a bit of a sense of pronouns, which is necessary in any language. He, she, it. And I think it's interesting to see in Setswana what happens, and it's just little changes that obviously changes the whole meaning of the sentence. Okay, where are you from? A very important question when you start meeting people. How would you say that?
Utswa kai.
Utswa kai. Okay, now the o is you. All right.
Yes.
I remember from okai, the kai is where?
It's where.
Okay, now what does the twa mean?
Go tswa. means to stem from, to come from.
Okay, so the formal meaning is to stem forth from, but you obviously use it in the sense of to come from.
Yes.
O tswa kai, o tswa kai. That's cool. And now someone asks me, where am I from? I'd like to say, I come from wherever. How would I say that?
Ke tswa kwa.
Okay.
Ka means tswa.
Okay. What you're actually saying is, I stem forth from.
Yes.
But in context, it's I come from.
Yes.
And let's just say I want a quick response. I obviously don't want to repeat the whole question, or twa kai. I just want to say, and you? How would I say that?
Le wena.
Le wena. Is le the word for and?
Yes.
All right.
Le.
The same as letsogile jang,
Yes.
but it's not the same word, so it's not to be confused, correct? It's
Correct.
spelled the same, but this means and.
Yes.
Okay. And you, le wena.
Le wena.
That's easy enough. So if I were to say, you come from somewhere, will I use o?
Yes.
Okay.
You o tswa kwa.
O tswa kwa.
Yes.
Okay. We spoke about a singular form of saying you come from, o tswa kwa. In a plural sense, how would I say that?
Le tswa kwa.
That I'm so happy that there is a pattern starting to form. I'm so happy that it's not something different. So the le, like letsogile jang, now is the same. So it's letswakwa. Great stuff. And he comes from?
O tswa kwa.
Oh, all right. So it's the same as you come from. And if I were to say she comes from?
O tswa kwa.
Oh, it sounds exactly the same.
Yes.
Is it also or?
No.
Oh,
It.
okay.
It's, for instance, I buy a car from America. Ne?
All right.
It comes from America. Ne? This type of a car.
Okay.
It comes from America. And in Setswana, e tswa kwa America.
All right. Now, how would I say we come from? If my wife and I were standing in a room and I said, we come from South Africa or whatever.
Re tswa kwa.
Re tswa kwa. I think this is the first time we've come across re. So the re would mean we.
We.
Correct? Okay, so that's the personal pronoun or the pronoun for we.
Yes.
All right. And if I were to say they come from?
Ba tswa kwa.
Okay, now that sounds familiar because we had batsugile jang. Okay,
Yes.
so the ba means they.
Yes, they.
Okay, batswa kwa America or whatever.
Yes.
Awesome. Now, just a quick grammatical aspect that I'd like to explain to the listeners is when a pronoun like I becomes me. The pronoun becomes an object of a verb. In other words, somebody is doing something to me, so now I have become the object of something happening. In other words, Mpho is talking to me. You don't say Mpho is talking to I. All right.
Yes.
Now, this is what I want to know in Tswana. If this is the same, you have the same concept of this change from a pronoun to an objective case pronoun. In other words, if I were to say me too, would I use ke?
No.
All right. So what would I use?
Na gape.
Okay. Is the na me?
Na, it's me.
All right.
Gape, too.
Okay. Me as well. Me too.
Yes.
Me also.
Me also.
All right. And what does it change to when you say you too?
Wena gape.
Now, when I recognize, and gape, obviously, from what we just learned, so it's just you too. So wena is the objective case of you.
Yes.
All right. If that becomes a plural, like you two, you once again talking to two or three people.
Lona gape.
All right. Lona gape.
Yes.
Okay. Let's take it further. Him and her. Is him and her also the same with the objective case?
Ene gape.
For him and her.
Yes.
All right. And it too?
Yone.
Yone. All right. Okay, we've got some interesting vocabulary coming our way this week. We're going to have to sit down and learn some things. And how about us two?
Rona gape.
Rona gape. Can I make a guess as to what ba would become? Would it become bona?
Yes. Ba bona,
Awesome. All right. So bona gape.
gape.
Them too. All right. So let's talk about places. In a conversation, I would like to say, I am from South Africa, or does South Africa have its own name in Tswana?
South, we have words in north, east, south, and west.
Okay.
In Setswana.
That makes sense. So what is the word for south in Tswana?
For south, it's borwa.
Borwa. Wow. That word is grooving. Borwa.
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 Yes.
Okay. So is it Afrika Borwa?
Yes.
All right.
Afrika.
Oh, okay.
Borwa.
I see. Afrika Borwa.
Yes.
Ketwakwa Afrika Borwa. Was that
Good.
correct?
Good.
All right. And let's say I am from the United States of America and I speak Tswana, which is highly unlikely. How would I say that?
Ke tswa kwa moseja America.
Okay. America I got, but the Moseja, what is that?
Moseja, it's overseas.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. Overseas. Moseja, Germany. Moseja, Russia.
Okay.
Moseja,
Okay, so it's a general word. It's generalizing
overseas.
overseas America, overseas Germany,
Yes.
and Russia. All right. And let's think about cities. For instance, London? Is there a word for London in Tswana?
We borrowed
All right.
Lontoni.
Lontoni. But I suppose if you're on the street and you say Kitswakwa London, I come from London,
It's still okay.
it's still okay. All right. The reason I bring this up is because I've heard a lot of Tswana speakers borrowing English and Afrikaans words and putting them into sentences. So it seems that one could help yourself by doing this. It doesn't seem completely out of the question, as in other languages. Sometimes it feels like you really have to concentrate on speaking proper Spanish or French or English or whatever. Okay.
Yeah, no.
All right, so I am South African. If it becomes like a nationality, is it Ke South African or something like that?
Ke mo Afrika borwa.
Okay, you added a more there. Or where does that come from?
Mo represent you as a person.
Okay.
Mo Afrika borwa.
Oh, okay. So what I understand is that the more personalizes the word. Is that correct?
That's correct.
All right. So it's saying I'm South African. Otherwise, if you just say Ke Afrika Borwa, what would that mean?
You will be meaning it's South Africa.
Ah, you see. All right. But that makes sense because in English you'd say it's America or I'm America, or you could say I'm American.
Yes.
All right, so it personalizes the word. Just a reminder to go to the website, 20minutesetswana.co.za. Go and check out all the packages we offer. We got a business package, a teacher's package, as well as material for children, which is quite useful if you need resources to teach Setswana in class. We'll see you next week. Go fitlhela nako e e tlang.
Step by step.